Today, we're not just doing ice cream, we're doing chocolate ice cream.
Yes. Oh, serve it up in an ice cold bowl.
Or your favorite cone.
Yes. Either way, this is a chocolate lover's dream come true.
Chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. I know.
I love a waffle cone.
I love ice cream, and I love chocolate ice cream. So let's make chocolate ice cream.
Do it.
All right, let's get started. I've got a medium-sized saucepan here, with not on heat yet. I've got a cup and a half of some good old whole milk. I've got a cup of heavy cream, because it's delicious that way. And then I've got...
It wouldn't be called ice cream.
No, I know, without cream. And that's 2/3 a cup of just good old granulated sugar. Now I'm going to use my whisk to get this dissolved. And now I'm going to turn this on to medium heat. And we just want to get this till it just starts to bubble a little on the sides.
Okay, so I've got 4 egg yolks here and a half a cup of heavy cream. I'm going to whisk
Your troubles away.
my troubles away real quick. And I need to get these broke up. I should have done. I was gonna whisk it first.
But you got so excited.
I know. I was like, cream, ice cream,
chocolate ice cream.
All right. So now I want to add 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. And I'm just gonna dump that in, and I'm gonna make sure that it gets nice and incorporated, and that it has no lumps whatsoever.
Get rid of those lumps, will you?
Yes. And I guess we got to wait for that.
Well, yeah. So this ice cream is, I mean, if you like chocolate ice cream, we've got more chocolate. We're adding a little bit. It is chocolatey. It is creamy.
It is.
It is so good.
I'm not like a big chocolate ice cream fan, but this is good.
Yeah, I know. Anyway, all right, he's taking forever on that, so we're going to wait until that gets fully incorporated. And mine is going to, once I start seeing little bubbles on the side, you don't want this to boil, and then we're going to start marrying it all together.
Yes.
Okay, so now you see how this is just starting to bubble on the side.
Some bubbles on the side.
Okay, I'm going to take this off of the heat. Now we're going to temper our eggs, and that just means we don't want them to scramble, so I'm going to pour about 3/4 of this in there while Wesley vigorously whisks.
I whisk.
Just kind of.
I whisk my troubles away.
You really do. This just keeps like I said, it keeps the eggs from scrambling. Just kind of makes it. Kind of just eases them into the hotness.
It does. It
does. They get scared if you get them too hot. Now we're going to do most of it, about 3/4 of it. Now we're going to add that back into here.
It looks like some hot cocoa.
It does. It's got egg yolks in it, so you probably shouldn't drink that.
Right.
Okay, now go ahead and add that. And now we're just going to continue whisking. I know it's going to be a little hard to do with this bowl.
I'm just pouring.
Yeah, you can give it even a sturdier pour.
Oh, okay.
So, because it's wanting to drip backwards. But you're doing good. That's great. That's great. Okay, so now that's good. So now this is going to turn into a lovely custard. And I'm going to get one of my wooden spoons here. And this takes about, usually, depending on your heat, you don't want to do not bring it to a boil, but it'll thicken.
Okay.
It takes about 4 to 5 minutes, and you'll know because it starts to kind of just like coat the back of your spoon, and it thickens kind of like a custard. And
exciting.
Then I know it's very exciting. Okay, so we let this go in that smell of chocolate for about 5 minutes, and you see it's not going to be like the thickness of pudding, but it's thicker than it was. So now we've got 6 ounces of this is.
Semi-sweet chocolate.
Semi-sweet. You can use semi-sweet, or you could use semi-sweet or bittersweet. And this you can just find in the baking section of pretty much all. Now just let that well, anyway.
Oh,
I know.
I like to see it melt before my eyes.
I usually like to let it melt and then stir it, but that's okay. I know it's exciting.
Well, the other day I stirred it right in.
Yeah, I know you did. So we're just going to let that. It's going to take about a minute to melt. And so speaking of ice cream, we've got a bunch of ice cream recipes that you guys, if you haven't looked at, you love. We have homemade vanilla I think that's one of our all-time.
That is my all-time favorite. I love vanilla.
The kids in the family, every time they come over now, it's like a given we're going to have homemade vanilla ice. But we haven't made this for them yet. And I think a combination, one vanilla and one chocolate.
But also your mint chocolate chip.
Mint chocolate chip is to die for. We have a s'mores ice cream. We have strawberry. We have blueberry. We have an ice cream cake that is to die for. You guys, we get you set for ice cream.
Yeah.
Okay, I think I've killed enough time. So now.
Are you sure?
I don't know. And then you just want to stir this till
Make sure
it gets
it's
nice
all
and
incorporated.
yeah. So this is 2 teaspoons of good quality vanilla extract. I'm just mesmerized by this.
What about that? Why don't you use your whisk?
Because I like my spatula. I want to be gentle with this, okay? So now we're going to add this two teaspoons of good quality vanilla. It's very important that it's good quality. And, okay, I think we are... It's mesmerizing.
I know,
it's like we're at Willy Wonka's, chocolate factory. Okay, I think we're good. Now we're going to pass this through a sieve just in case there are any lumps. We want this to be smooth and silky. So we've got this just placed over a heat-proof bowl. I'm going to try not to drop it.
You got it.
Yeah. There we go.
Yeah.
You see the consistency of that? Let me just get it. We got a little more of this yummy chocolate. Okay.
Yeah, make sure that's all out of there.
And just kind of help it through a little bit. Now, it's like so many of the good things in life. You have to wait a little bit. So
what we're gonna do is shove it in this ice water.
We're gonna help it along, and we're gonna before we put it in the fridge to chill for about 3 hours or overnight. We're gonna cool it off here in this ice bath for about 30 to 45 minutes, so we can cover it with plastic. Okay, moving right along.
Right.
So you got to give yourself some time to make ice cream. It's like, it's just like I said, all the good things in life usually take a little time.
There we go.
So we're going to let this...
Look at that.
There you go. Good thinking.
Smart thinking.
Now we're going to... we've got some plastic wrap here. We let this chill in the bath for about, I don't know, I think it was 30 minutes. You just want it to not be still so warm that it's going to melt the plastic.
Now...
This just helps.
You want to press it against the chocolate.
Yeah.
The chocolate custard.
That's right. This just helps it not get dried out. Now we're going to chill it. You can do this, let it chill for 3 hours, and then you should be able to freeze it with no problem. Or you can do this the day before and chill it the next day. Just remember, or freeze it the next day. But just remember, you're going to need some more time then for it to freeze in the freezer.
All right.
Let's keep going. It's ice cream time.
Not yet.
Well, it's getting cold. We are going to churn up some ice cream.
That's right.
Okay.
So we've let this sit in the fridge for about...
a little over 3 hours.
Yeah, so I'm just going to... Oh, yeah, it's gotten...
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
There we go.
There we go.
She is coming together.
Thank you. And then we've got... This is the... Canister, I guess, for better lack of words. Do you have a bigger spoon instead of this thing? Let's see.
That's the one I usually use, but sure.
Oh, that's perfect, because then...
This is what happens when you set up for the loon.
See, because it's a little thick.
That's good.
And if I do this...
So it's turned into a lovely custard.
Yes.
So now, just to talk about, at this point, you're just going to follow whatever the way you make your ice cream, following the instructions, manufacturer's instructions.
Right.
This, you may be wondering, this is our big old Cuisinart. We got this as a wedding gift, and it was a spectacular gift. We love it. It's not a huge one, but it's one of those that freezes. You don't have to freeze the canister ahead of time. But anyway, I'll have a link to this. I think they still make it, although the last time I couldn't find it. But anyway, they have, if they don't make this particular model, they have models that are even probably better at this point.
I could just pour it.
You can. Just pour it in there.
I was like...
Well, you spoon it just to get it started.
I was like,
and plus it gives me time just to talk.
I know. It's almost our anniversary, too.
It is.
So we're getting using our wedding gift.
It was the wedding when it was legal, as we'd like to say. We've actually been married 3 times. So this was wedding number 3. But this is the one that was the big one that everyone came, and it was fun. Okay. Wow, you are really
stretching it.
Well, I could have read the phone book by this point.
I could just eat this with a spoon.
It's very tempting.
It's like pudding.
So what
It's like pudding.
It is like pudding. So now, okay.
Okay.
Now, this makes about a quart of ice cream. You could double this if you have a larger ice cream maker. You got a little right there. Anyway, now I've got my Cuisinart set for 30 minutes, and it's going to churn. It's going to get even creamier and beautiful, and then we're going to transfer it to an ice cream container and let it freeze overnight. So get started on this. You know, when the grandkids or the kids are wanting ice cream, start the day ahead of time. Okay, here we go.
And I'm gonna just lick this.
You can. It's cooked.
Oh, I didn't know that. Oh, I forgot.
Okay, so this has been going on. We let it go a little longer, about 35 minutes. I'm going to turn it off now.
Okay.
And then we're going to. Now this is. It's always is weird for me because as a kid, when like my dad would be churning ice cream in the big old-fashioned one, which I love, you know, it was ready to eat after it churned.
That's chilly.
And but this needs to freeze in the freezer. So we're going to go ahead and take that out.
Let me get the spoon.
Yeah, get your spatula.
Here, the spoon is good.
The spoon is good.
The spoon is good.
Okay, very meticulous. And so you just need to let this.
You do it.
Okay. You need to let this freeze for
You got some coming
at
over here?
least 3 hours. I'm always going to say overnight is best. And okay, so now so the consistency is going to be like just kind of like.
I'm just going to let him do all the work.
Well, is like a thick whipped cream. It's gonna feel like that's not ice cream. It's delicious right now, but it's gonna be where it needs to be in a few hours or better overnight. Now we've got this fun. These tubs, we just got these not too long ago because this doesn't make a giant amount of ice cream. And these are Tovalos, they're good quality, they're dishwasher safe, and they're like little big pints, well, they're quarts of ice cream, and they freeze beautifully. You can clean them wonderfully. That look good.
That looks good.
I know. I'm so tempted to just start eating it. Right now.
I know.
But we will wait till tomorrow.
Well, there's a lot in there, but that's all right.
Here, I'll get it. So we're going to put the lid on that. We're going to get the rest of this in there before we do that. We're going to freeze it, and next time you see us, we're going to be eating ice cream and wishing you were with us.
Yes.
It's time!
This is our pre-lunch ice cream.
We couldn't wait. We were so excited. So this has been freezing all night. We've had dreams of ice cream, chocolate ice cream. It's like 180 degrees outside. So it's perfect time.
Hot.
So we've let this sit out because look at that. Isn't that beautiful?
It's still solid.
We should have let it sit a little longer, but we're like, we got to share it with you guys.
Yes.
So I'll probably break a wrist trying to scoop this because it's so soft. But no, it's.
Oh, there you go. That's good. Put your muscle into it. There you go.
I don't need to work out today.
Yes, that's
I don't know how those kids at like those, those ice cream
shops.
They don't have arms the size of Popeye.
They're so young.
I mean, I would be like, that would be exhausting.
They've got muscles.
I know, they're young. They're not like us, old and rickety.
Frail.
Yeah, I should have let this sit out. So you want to let this set this out for about 15. Just makes your life a little easier. It's still, look at that.
Oh, yes. That looks wonderful.
So chocolate.
You can go get started on you.
I'm going to.
Okay.
Now,
wow, that looks great, Chris.
I was going to say earlier, I can't remember if I said this or not, but most ice cream machines allow you to add little ingredients if you want to. This would be great you could turn it into like a rocky road.
Oh, some marshmallow.
Add some marshmallows, your favorite nut.
Oh, like some salty pretzel bites.
Salty pretzel would be good. I mean, if you want to make it like double chocolate, do chocolate morsels.
Are you done?
No, I gotta get myself. It's even more frozen as we get down to the bottom.
Yeah.
So definitely let it sit out.
Here, let me breathe on it.
Yeah, that'll melt it. Let it sit out for at least 15 minutes. Okay, so now it's time to. I can't believe I should have gotten a cone. I love the cones.
Let's just eat the ice cream.
I know. Okay. Oh my gosh, the chocolate.
You guys, look at that. That is some chocolate
That is
goodness.
chocolate ice cream. It's like
Homemade ice cream is absolutely the best thing in the world.
I mean, there is good store-bought brands out there. I mean, we all know that.
Woo, this
there
is got
is
that chocolate going on.
There is a difference when it's homemade.
It is. Oh.
Oh my goodness!
I'm gonna break
It
free.
is a chocolate lovers. If you like chocolate and if you like ice cream, this is for you. Oh my goodness!
That is 100,000% lunar proof. That is so good.
And he's not even a big fan of
Yeah,
chocolate.
I'm vanilla.
I don't understand why you know. I love.
You know what I am? My favorite thing that I ever had growing up was going to Zesto's on Sanborn Street in Mitchell, South Dakota, to get myself.
Tell them what Zesto's is.
It's an ice cream place, and I'd get myself a chocolate chip shake, and they use the chocolate that would harden, and they'd break it up. Oh, it's so good.
Okay, everybody. So make ice cream and be happy.
Exactly.
Hope you're having a wonderful summer, or whenever it is you're watching this. Make chocolate ice cream.
Yeah.
Bye, everybody.